If I had to spend my own money on a TV in 2026, I wouldn't choose the one with the biggest advertisement. I wouldn't choose the most expensive model just because it has a premium price tag. And I definitely wouldn't buy a TV just because everyone online is talking about it. After comparing dozens of TVs, there are only 4 TVs I would actually feel confident bringing into my own home. Some are expensive, some are surprisingly affordable, but every single one offers something that makes it worth buying. So if you're planning to upgrade your TV in 2026, these are the models I would personally consider. Number 4. TCL QM8K. Here's something that might surprise you. The first TV on this list isn't a luxury flagship. It isn't the most expensive, but it might be one of the easiest TVs to recommend. The TCL QM8K is the kind of TV that makes you question why you need to spend more. Because for the majority of buyers, it delivers almost everything they actually need. Most people aren't building a dedicated home theater. They're watching Netflix after work, enjoying sports on the weekend, playing games on a PlayStation 5, or simply watching their favorite shows with family. And for that type of everyday use, the QM8K makes a very strong argument. The biggest reason this TV stands out is its mini LED performance. It delivers impressive brightness, which makes a huge difference in normal living rooms, especially during daytime viewing, when reflections can ruin the experience on weaker displays. Movies look more impactful, sports look more vibrant, and HDR content has the brightness it needs to feel exciting. But brightness alone doesn't make a great TV. The reason the QM8K feels premium is the balance between brightness and contrast. Its advanced local dimming helps create deeper blacks, while keeping bright highlights powerful. No, it doesn't deliver the perfect blacks of an OLED, but for many buyers, especially those with bright rooms, this balance can actually be the smarter choice. Gaming is another area where the QM8K earns its place. With a high refresh rate, fast response times, and low input lag, it handles modern gaming extremely well. Whether you're playing competitive shooters, racing games, or exploring huge open worlds, the experience feels smooth and responsive. And that's the biggest reason I would consider buying this TV. The TCL QM8K isn't trying to be the best TV in every single category. Instead, it gives you an incredible combination of picture quality, gaming, and value for money. And for many people, that combination is exactly what makes a TV worth buying. Number 3. Hisense U8 series. There was a time when buying a premium TV meant choosing between only a few major brands. But in 2026, that is no longer true. Companies like Hisense have changed the conversation by offering technology that used to be reserved for much more expensive televisions. And that's exactly why the Hisense U8 series earned a place on my personal buying list. Because this TV delivers something many buyers are looking for: flagship features without a flagship price. The first thing you notice about the U8 series is its incredible brightness. And this matters because modern TV experiences are built around HDR performance. A great HDR picture isn't just about having more colors. It's about creating realistic contrast between the brightest highlights and the darkest scenes. The U8 series does this extremely well. Bright scenes look powerful, colors feel vibrant, and movies have the kind of impact that makes you feel like you're watching something much more expensive. The reason behind this performance is its advanced mini LED technology. Thousands of tiny LEDs work together to improve brightness and contrast, creating deeper blacks while keeping highlights extremely bright. For people who watch TV in a bright living room, this is a huge advantage, because even the best OLED can struggle when strong sunlight and reflections become a problem. But the U8 series isn't only about brightness. It is also a strong choice for gaming. With support for modern gaming features, high refresh rates, and fast response times, it delivers the smooth experience that today's console gamers expect. Whether you're playing on a PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, or enjoying PC gaming, the experience feels responsive and immersive. Another reason this TV stands out is value. Many TVs force you to choose between price and performance. The Hisense U8 series proves that you can get impressive picture quality without moving into the highest price categories. And that makes it a very attractive option for buyers who want a premium experience but still want to spend wisely. Of course, it's not perfect. Some viewers may prefer the more refined processing of brands like Sony, or the perfect blacks of an OLED. But if you're looking for a TV that delivers incredible brightness, strong HDR, great gaming, and excellent overall performance, the Hisense U8 series is one of the easiest recommendations in 2026. Because sometimes the smartest purchase isn't the TV with the biggest name. It's the one that gives you the most for your money. Number 2, Sony Bravia 9. When people talk about buying a premium TV, they usually focus on the biggest numbers, higher brightness, more features, bigger specifications. But after spending time with the Sony Bravia 9, you start to understand something important. A great TV isn't only about impressive specifications. It's about how everything comes together when you actually sit down and watch. And that's exactly where Sony has always been different. The Bravia 9 isn't trying to be the loudest TV in the room. It's trying to be the most accurate. And for many buyers, especially movie lovers, that difference is impossible to ignore. The first thing that stands out is the picture processing. Sony has built its reputation around making content look natural. Not exaggerated, not overly sharp, just realistic. Skin tones look more accurate, motion feels smoother, and dark scenes maintain the small details that make movies feel immersive. This is especially noticeable when watching real-world content. Because let's be honest, most people aren't watching perfect 4K demo videos all day. They're watching Netflix, streaming shows, sports, YouTube, and older movies. The Bravia 9 takes all of that content and makes it look better without making it feel artificial. That's a quality you appreciate more over time. Another reason this TV stands out is its incredible mini LED performance. The Bravia 9 delivers outstanding brightness while maintaining excellent contrast. Bright highlights have real impact. Dark scenes keep impressive depth. And HDR movies feel much closer to a true cinema experience. For people who watch movies at night, this TV creates an experience that is difficult to match. But what makes the Bravia 9 special is balance. During the day, it has the brightness needed for comfortable viewing. At night, it creates the depth and atmosphere that movie fans want. For sports, motion stays clean. For streaming, everything looks refined. And for everyday watching, it simply feels premium. Of course, there is one important thing to consider. The Sony Bravia 9 is not designed for everyone. If your main priority is saving money, the TCL QM8K or Hisense U8 series may make more sense. And if you want the absolute deepest blacks of OLED, there are other options to consider. But if you want a TV that feels like a true home theater experience, one that you can enjoy for years, the Sony Bravia 9 is one of the safest premium choices you can make. Because sometimes the best TV isn't the one that looks the most impressive for 5 minutes. It's the one that continues to impress you every time you turn it on. Number 1. Samsung S95 HOLED. After looking at value, brightness, movie performance, gaming, and overall experience, there was one TV that kept coming back as the one I'd personally want in my living room. Not because it's the cheapest, not because it's the brightest, but because it delivers the kind of experience that makes you understand why premium TVs exist. And that TV is the Samsung S95 HOLED. The biggest reason this TV stands out is simple: picture quality. OLED has always been known for one major advantage: perfect blacks. Because every pixel can control its own light. Dark scenes become incredibly deep. Stars in space look more realistic. Night scenes have more depth. And movies feel much more immersive. But the S95H OLED takes that experience even further. With advanced QD-OLED technology, it combines OLED's incredible contrast with the brightness and color advantages of quantum dots. The result is a picture that feels both accurate and exciting. Colors look more vibrant. Highlights appear more powerful. And HDR content has the kind of impact that immediately grabs your attention. But what makes this TV a personal recommendation isn't just the picture. It's the complete package. For gamers, the S95H OLED is one of the most impressive choices available. With high refresh rate, HDMI 2.1, extremely fast response times, and excellent motion handling, gaming feels incredibly smooth. Competitive games feel responsive. Fast action stays clear. And every movement feels connected. For movie lovers, this TV creates an experience that feels closer to a premium theater. Dark scenes look incredible, colors feel cinematic, and the display almost disappears, leaving only the content. Of course, no TV is perfect. OLED panels still require more care than some mini LED displays, and the price places it firmly in the premium category. If you mainly watch cable TV, or you have a very bright room, another option might fit you better. But if I was spending my own money and wanted a TV that delivers an unforgettable experience every single day, the Samsung S95H OLED would be at the top of my list. Because the best purchase isn't always about getting the most features. It's about buying something that you will still appreciate years later. Final and verdict. After comparing these four TVs, the answer is actually simple. The TCL QM8K is the TV I'd recommend for buyers who want maximum value. The Hisense U8 series is perfect for people who want premium performance without spending flagship money. The Sony Bravia 9 is an incredible choice for anyone who wants a true movie experience. But if I had to choose one TV with my own money, the Samsung S95H OLED would be my personal pick. Not because it is perfect, but because it delivers the combination of picture quality, gaming, HDR performance, and everyday enjoyment that makes a TV worth owning. At the end of the day, the best TV isn't always the one with the biggest specifications. It's the one that fits your room, your budget, and the way you actually watch. Because the right TV isn't something you simply buy. It's something you'll enjoy every single day for years. This is Telefy TV. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest TV buying guides.